What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening. Hope you're all doing great, even though the market is, well, absolutely going to beep. But yeah, in this video, we're back and we're taking a look at Matic, the main token of the Polygon blockchain, which still, I mean, to see it from the bright side compared to the end of September, we're still very bullish. We're still up about, well, I don't know, 20%. So in this video, in the light of what's happening throughout the market, it's obviously has still been very bearish, and Bitcoin is even dropping down lower. Wanted to take a look at Matic. Wanted to take a look at what's Matic, what Matic is doing. Obviously, it's going to be bearish. It has been. But I kind of wanted to see if there was any chance of any sort of a recovery or not. Right now, the main thing that needs to happen is that the whole thing around FTX and FTT has to stabilize. I mean, right now the volume is still really high. I mean, that volume has to drop down to get some stability. Bitcoin also needs to start dropping, or at least find some sort of a support at 16,000 or something, because I mean, with these market circumstances, frankly, Matic is going to keep falling as well. Right now, what I expect is that, well, even though we're quite strong compared to the market, we found some major support here at like 88 cents, and we found some major support at around like 95 cents at first yesterday. But then obviously we heard about the acquisition, and afterwards we started dropping. So as you can see from here, I expected us that after a break retest that we would drop down to this level right here, between 87 and 84 cents. That is our main support level right now. We're dropping there. We're probably going to drop down even lower. All right. So right now we drop down to this level around 87 cents. I think we're going even lower towards 84, 85 cents. And at this point, I do think we can hold that, but that really depends on the market circumstances as well. If Bitcoin drops down all the way down to 15,000, Matic is going to drop down to this level here at 80 cents and 78 cents. That's something you should know. But as of now, I don't have any confirmation that will drop down that low. It could definitely happen, but I don't think it will. I mean, we could drop down to 16, but 15 is a whole support level away, or a whole key level away. So I think for Matic, we'll actually be able to stay on top of this level here, and then frankly, tomorrow is pretty fundamentally important day again, because we'll have the inflation rate of the US. We'll have the full election results. I don't think they'll make the market move that much, but yeah, so an important fundamental day where if the inflation rate is actually higher than expected, we'll probably still do this drop, and we might even drop down all the way to 75 or 73 cents. That's pretty realistic, to be honest. So yeah, it depends on the fundamentals of tomorrow, but until then, I do think we can hold our levels between 83 and 85 cents. I think Matic is strong enough for that. Matic has less exposure to everything that's happening at like FTX and Alameda, especially. So I mean, even though we have already dropped down a lot, guys. I mean, don't forget that we dropped down in the last 24 hours with 30% compared to some other big cryptos. That's nothing. I mean, if you compare that with Ethereum, for example, that's down 37%. Over the last 24 hours still. I mean, you can see that it's not that much, but yeah, as I said, I mean, you can see Matic is pretty strong. We're still finding support at sometimes, but I do expect that we'll at least drop down to 85 cents, and from there we could go up again, but that depends on really depends on the inflation rate tomorrow. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care and bye.